Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I thought we'd take a look at the C14 that I've had quite a while. Never really used it, it was just completely standard, but I did have a few pieces missing because I had a servo that gave up on another one and I stole a few parts out of this to keep the other ones going. So I thought we'd take a little look, and you know, it's still got a little bit of upgrading to do, but it's got things like a 2-speed gearbox, metal bumpers, the metal servo mount, a metal geared servo, the steering linkage upgrade, and I've got some more parts on the way for it. It's got some steel, well, aluminium and steel rims on there, which I don't think are quite big enough, so I'm going to have to try and find some different wheels, which will obviously give it a little bit more ground clearance. So I thought I'd bring it out onto the little course that I'm slowly setting up with sort of rocks as I can sort of find them. And initially this is going to be built for 1/10th, but these 1/16th can do it if you can find the right line. So yeah, just a little look, just to so you guys can see how these little 1/16ths handle over these rocks. You will get stuck because they haven't got the ground clearance, and sometimes the approach angle or departure angle is not good, so they do get stuck like this. But if you persevere, wiggle the steering, and you can usually get out. I am controlling this with one hand and filming with the other, so I'm still getting used to doing the steering with my thumb on the left hand, which is quite strange. But I'm getting there. But you'll see occasionally my brain gets a bit confused and I shoot forward when I go back, or back when I want to go forward. But I'm getting there, I'm getting used to it. So there's quite a few more rocks I've just picked up, which are going to go in this gap that you can see here. And if you don't try to take too much of a steep incline, that they get over quite easily. At the moment, the drag brake is not turned on with the servo that I bought. The ESC that I bought off eBay. It does have an option for a drag brake, and at the moment I've left it off just to see what it does. And if you let go, it does, go backwards quite quickly, and it actually speeds up as it's going down the descent of wherever it is. But you can see these are quite tall stones, and it's getting up there. As long as you get the tyre in a place where it can dig in, and something like this where there's a gap in the middle is actually ideal, because it allows the gearbox and those chassis rail parts that are low to actually clear it, but the next one is just too much. So I've put it up on the top here. We've got a skateboard ramp to get across the gap, and I'm going to turn the drag brake on in a minute just to see what it's like. And I actually used the reverse there to stop it, but now that's just letting go of the throttle and it stops. So we do have a bit of a drag brake going now, which is going to help. So if you found this video interesting or entertaining, if you could like, share and subscribe, stick it on your social media, I would be greatly appreciative. So this is the WPL C14. I have an affiliate link down below, so if you would like to buy one of these or any others, have a look.